Meer Group's rapid expansion in real estate is in line with our vision. Ultimate vision is smart cities all over the world. Smart cities where the technology, AI, sustainability, everything is integrated, and we create communities where people have job opportunities, business opportunities, as well as we can have a positive impact, whether it's environmental, whether it's impact on the people living within the city. To get to that point, we have launched so many different projects and added few projects in our existing portfolio in Saudi Arabia, in GCC, in Europe, Spain, Portugal. And what is different in my way of working is I work with other people. So for example, when you do a development project, normally it's a bank involved or few big investors involved, or the development company invests itself, and all the profits you make at the development stage. So I'm adding people and I'm inviting people, general public, to work with us. What happens with that? Then we get some really amazing people who can help us achieve our impact vision, as well as they get really good profits. Also, we create communities who work together to create something special. That's the ultimate vision. So I invite everyone to work with us in these development projects. Some of the best profits, as well as the impact environmentally, socially. And when all the good people come together, they can do some amazing things, and that's the target. Thank you very much.